Hello everyone, I'm here with another layout. The background is Paint Fresh Studio, just a little lovely called New Thoughts. It's all good. I'm going to use some more pastel cards, and I'm going to use a card that are cut from Webster's Pages, Love is in the Air, called Happy Day. Apologize, my nose is running. Sure. Oh my gosh, when I was doing this layout, she was such a pain. Play, that's all she kept trying to take off with my stuff. So I'm gonna hide it. She hasn't changed. So tiny there. Speaking of her, here, let me move this out of the way so you don't step all over that. Oh, what a pain. Eventually, I have to stop. Right? Mm -hmm. Oh, boy. So, I left. I don't know where I went. Oh, I'm there. I'm just trying to deal with her to get her to sleep. And here I'm trying to. I was gonna use my. Oh my gosh. And I think she ends up ripping my banner. I was so mad at her. See, no matter what I tried to do. Oh, pain in the tush. So, let's see. What I do is I crumple up a piece of paper into a ball and get her to distracted that way. Usually will work. I'm trying to use all the pool type themed die cuts on these pages of my or pictures of my nieces at the pool. And so I'm using die cuts that are Hip Kit Club's Hello Summer. The Happy You is Pink Fresh Studio Puffy Phrase stickers. I do use a few other puppy stickers like there that are Pink Fresh Studio, just puffy stickers. I'm going to use a few those banners are Hip Kit Club's Hello Summer as well. So I'm just trying to figure out what else I can use, and then figure out what I'm going to do with my title. And I have to journal still on all of these layouts. I'm gonna wait. Alex will be home tomorrow because he has Thanksgiving off. So I'm gonna, well, as chances are him and Mateo will play PS4. So I'll probably work on journaling them so I can, at least with that, I can be in the same room. And then once I get my title down, that is going to be all that I do to this layout. And so when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys.